You too. Hello guys, welcome back to today's video from Elbrus Trains UK, and today we're at Dawlish Warren. Nice tone from the 150 it just left. But anyway, welcome to Dawlish Warren on the Great Western Main Line and the Riviera Line. Services from Great Western Railway, cross country. That's about it really. So Dawlish is one of the most scenic places in Devon. It's right next to the sea. As you can see, there's a bit of coast up there. When we go to Dawlish later, it'll be a bit better. But anyway, so that train you saw in the first part of the video was the 1151 Great Western Railway service to Paignton from the 150-233, the Dartmoor one. Anyway, so without further ado, let's see what's up here, shall we? Let's get started here at Dawlish Warren. Enjoy the video, guys. Alright, passing through now as the seagull makes such a noise. We've got a cross-country Voyager on service to Plymouth from Birmingham. Right, pause it until she comes close. Off that one goes, let's see what's next. Alright, passing through now, we have an IT. So it's to London Paddington, Penzance. Alright, off that one goes, let's see what's next. Alright, passing through now, we have a Voyager. Alright, off that one goes, let's see what's next. Alright, pulling in now, we have a Class 166 on the 1231 Great Western Railway service to Exmouth from Paignton. Alright, catch that one when it goes. Right, off it goes. This is calling at Starcross, Exeter St Thomas, Exeter St David's, Exeter Central, St James Park, Polso Bridge, Digby and Soughton, Newcourt, Topsham, Exton, Livingston Commando, Livingston Village and Exmouth. We're finally getting the Class 166s in Devon. Right, off that one goes, see what's next. Alright, about to pass through now, we have an empty stock HST going up to Exeter St David's from Lera Depot. Keep the camera rolling because she's just a couple of blocks away on Trackski. Alright, we will pause it till she comes. Here it comes. It's actually an IET. It says on tracks here it's a HST. It's an IET. It's double pairing. She's going quite slow as well. Let's wait from the driver. 800 024. And 800 013. No, actually no. Wait, that's a service to London actually. I don't know what that was. I think that's a service off to London. What was the empty stock one? And again, not entirely sure. I think that is empty stock, but I'm not entirely sure, guys. Anyway, we will see what's next. Alright, coming in now, we're about to have the final train of the video. It's going to be a service to Paynton from Exmouth. Whether going to be a class 150 or a 166. Anywho's, we will pause it till she comes. Here it comes. We'll do a double pairing of two 150-2. One 15246 in front. That's over from the driver. Right, and it's 150-244 on the rear. Catch it up when it leaves. Right, and off she goes. I'll try in the video. I don't know if that one goes. Alright guys, so here is the final train of the video.
Give it to Trenitalia.
Trenitalia. What's that? It's in Italy.
Oh,
by the way, we got Will here.
Give it to DB.
DB, they're not even a... Why you stand so close to me?
I'm waving for the video.
And if one goes, and as that goes, I'll end my video here in Dawlish. Thank you guys very much for watching. Can you stop standing so close to me? Alright, so it's a lovely station, Dawlish. If you like what you've seen, make sure you like and subscribe. Your comments and recommendations are welcome, so leave them down below. Next station will be Dawlish. Well, not Dawlish. I've got a morning brain, I have. Dawlish. So we'll see you guys there. Bye.